Welcome to Lingo Tree, Let's Speak Sinhala online series.
In today's episode, we will learn about the days of the week.
සතියේ දවස් සඳුදා අඟහරුවාදා බදාදා බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා සිකුරාදා සෙනසුරාදා ඉරිදා.
Let's repeat together one more time.
සඳුදා අඟහරුවාදා බදාදා බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා සිකුරාදා සෙනසුරාදා ඉරිදා.
In this exercise, try to translate the given days of the week into Sinhala. Sunday,
ඉරිදා
Monday,
සඳුදා
Saturday,
සෙනසුරාදා
Tuesday,
අඟහරුවාදා
Friday,
සිකුරාදා
Thursday,
බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා
Wednesday.
බදාදා.
Great. Now let's learn another way of expressing the days of the week. Today,
අද
yesterday,
ඊයේ
tomorrow,
හෙට
day before yesterday,
පෙරේදා
day after tomorrow.
අනිද්දා.
Here are some examples.
අද සඳුදා ඊයේ මම වැඩට ගියා. හෙට මම ගෙදර යනවා. පෙරේදා මම උත්සවයකට ගියා. අනිද්දා මම පිටත් වෙනවා.
In this second part, we will learn some phrases. Let's start with, what day is today?
අද දවස මොකක්ද?
What day was yesterday?
ඊයේ දවස මොකක්ද?
What day is today?
අද දවස මොකක්ද?
What day is tomorrow?
හෙට දවස මොකක්ද?
අද දවස මොකක්ද?
අද සඳුදා
ඊයේ දවස මොකක්ද?
ඊයේ ඉරිදා
හෙට දවස මොකක්ද?
හෙට අඟහරුවාදා.
What are you doing today?
අද මොකක්ද කරන්නේ?
What did you do yesterday?
ඊයේ මොකක්ද කරේ?
What are you doing today?
අද මොකක්ද කරන්නේ?
What are you doing tomorrow?
හෙට මොකක්ද කරන්නේ?
අද මොකක්ද කරන්නේ?
අද මම ගෙදර යනවා.
ඊයේ මොකක්ද කරේ?
ඊයේ මම චිත්‍රපටි ශාලාවට ගියා.
හෙට මොකක්ද කරන්නේ?
හෙට මම වැකේෂන් යනවා.
In this next exercise, answer the questions about the days of the week. What day was yesterday?
අඟහරුවාදා.
What day is tomorrow?
බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා.
What day was yesterday?
බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා.
What day is tomorrow?
සෙනසුරාදා.
What day was yesterday?
ඉරිදා.
What day is tomorrow?
අඟහරුවාදා.
What day was yesterday?
බදාදා.
What day is tomorrow?
සිකුරාදා.
What day was yesterday?
සෙනසුරාදා.
What day is tomorrow?
සඳුදා.
What day was yesterday?
සඳුදා.
What day is tomorrow?
බදාදා.
What day was yesterday?
සිකුරාදා.
What day is tomorrow?
ඉරිදා.
Now, let's take a look at everything you've learned in today's episode.
Congratulations! You have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.